𝐼𝐺 isn't for everyone. Its trading system is risky and limited, it has very high fees, and the support is extremely poor. Overall, there just are many better platforms to use, if you are looking for ways to earn crypto online. Do you want to get into the world of cryptocurrency? If yes, then you have maybe come across a site called 𝐼𝐺. But is 𝐼𝐺 legit and really a great way to earn crypto, or is it a scam to stay away from? I have tested and used the platform for quite a while myself. And let me just reveal right away that I have had mixed results. It is potentially a way to earn crypto, but at the same time it can also be very risky and you can end up wasting a lot of time if there are certain things you do not know. Therefore, I will share all my findings and experiences in this 𝐼𝐺 mining review so you will know exactly what to expect before you even hit the sign up button. I will also share a free 𝐼𝐺 mining strategy I am using myself. And I will share a big warning in this review also that you really need to be aware of before joining. All this will help you determine if this is a good fit for you or not. Can you use it on mobile? The good thing about 𝐼𝐺 is that it has a mobile app you can download so you don't have to go to your computer every 4 hours just to press the activate button. You can simply do it on your mobile device. Their app is available for both Android and iOS devices, so you won't have any problems with compatibility. It is also relatively easy to use, so you'll get used to navigating it quickly. As I've said, having an app can help you maximize your earnings because you can just hit the activate button every 4 hours regardless of where you are. How do you get paid? As explained above, when you mine on 𝐼𝐺, you will actually be mining cryptocurrency. And that means you will need a crypto wallet. So, if you don't have one yet, I would recommend you create one first before you sign up for 𝐼𝐺. Now, the thing you need to keep in mind when withdrawing cryptocurrency from 𝐼𝐺 is that they have high gas fees for most of the cryptocurrencies. That's why I would highly recommend that you don't convert your USDT to any cryptocurrency except XLM, Stellar Lumens. That's because the gas fee for withdrawing XLM will be very low. Just remember that in order to withdraw XLM to any crypto wallet that supports it, you will need to earn at least 170 XLM. The real-world money equivalent will vary. At the time of writing this review, 1 XLM is equivalent to $0.293938. That means you'll have to earn around $50 to withdraw your earnings, which is quite a high threshold, in my opinion. So, you'll need to be very patient with this site because it can take a while before you will be able to earn enough to withdraw your earnings. If you prefer sites that will allow you to withdraw your earnings quickly, I recommend you check out the fastest paying sites instead. Also, you need to be aware that you cannot withdraw the earnings you get from mining directly. The mining earnings can only be used for trading, but the profit you potentially make by trading can then be withdrawn. I also show this step by step in the video above. But overall, their payment system is a bit complicated and can take a bit of getting used to, especially if this is your first time dabbling with cryptocurrency. What is 𝐼𝐺 and what does it offer? 𝐼𝐺 is actually a cryptocurrency trading platform that you can use to trade various cryptocurrencies. But it also has a mining feature that will allow you to earn crypto for free. Whether it is worth it or not depends on several different things, and the best way to find the answer for you is to first look at the earning opportunities it offers. That way, you'll understand what you need to do to earn. So, here's how to earn from 𝐼𝐺. Option 1: Mining. The primary way of earning from 𝐼𝐺 for free is by mining. The good thing about mining in 𝐼𝐺 is you don't have to invest in any special hardware to mine. All you really need to do is log into their website and click the Activate button to start mining. This kind of earning opportunity is in some ways similar to another cloud-based mining platform called Pi Network. However, with 𝐼𝐺, you'll have to activate the mining several times a day, whereas for Pi Network, you only have to activate it once a day. The cryptocurrency 𝐼𝐺 will be mining will be Bitcoin. As a member of 𝐼𝐺, you will mine Bitcoins at a specific starting rate. You can increase your mining rate by having a certain activity, which I will talk about later. After 4 hours, 𝐼𝐺 will stop mining and you will need to press the Activate button again to continue the mining process. You can close the browser while it is mining. So, it won't actually consume any computer resources, which is really its main advantage, in my opinion. The downside is, you will have to keep logging into their site every 4 hours if you want to maximize your earnings. As you can see, that's how easy it is to earn crypto on StormGain. You can